The president of Committee of Registered MEECL Employee Association and Unions CCORMAU PK Chillet today said that he will resign from the organization following allegations made against him in the media. He said that these allegations made against him are baseless and its sole purpose is only to tarnish his image. Addressing a press conference at Shillong and Lower Lachumir, Chulett said that the allegation against him will have nothing to do with the functioning of CCORMAU. Chulett, who has been posted in the Inspectorate of Electricity of the MEECL, which is also the state-designated agency on energy conservation in Meghalaya, known as MSDA, that undertakes implementation of various schemes and programs of the Bureau of Energy Efficiency to create awareness on energy conservation. Refuting the allegation made against nepotism, Chulett said that after he had consulted his lawyer, he was told that there is no bar for his spouse to participate in any tender. He also said that there is no express regulation that bars any spouse from participating. He also informed that the work less than Rs 50,000 is being looked after by the Department Tender Committee. Regarding the allotment of multi-crore contract to Ms. IS Enterprise, Chilett clarified that during 2013 to 2018, the total amount spent on LED demo project was Rs 54.15 lakh. The major chunk of the project was allotted to Ms. Karma Enterprise of Big Village led campaign to the cost of Rs 16.88 lakhs. The remaining balance of Rs 37.26 lakhs was split and utilized by 9 lights, luminaries and 1 for village campaign for Rs 1.2 lakh. The demo projects were executed by 3 firms and Chulett has also filed an RTI for the total amount of works executed by Ms. IS Enterprise. Chulett also informed that for the dissemination of messages on energy conservation, amount of Rs 29.07 lakh was spent on roadshows, publicity awareness and other forms of media publicity. He also informed that all the accounts have been audited and certified by the chartered accountants of the allegation of multi-crore contracts can be termed as totally baseless.
Finally, I would like to say that all these allegations have been made to malign my image and damage my reputation. Friends, I presented the facts and figures and clarified my stand. However, since unfounded allegations have been made, and for the dignity of the Coordination Committee of Registered MECL, Employees Association and Union, CCORMA, and for the principle that it stands for, on moral ground, I am stepping down as President of CCORMA. I expect others who face similar allegations would do the same. As I exit, I would like to thank all the constituents of CCORMA for their unflinching support during my tenure. I was privileged of having the honor to serve as President of the Coordination Committee, which is fighting for what we believe in is right. To me, I was personally doing this to solve the issues affecting the performance of MeECL, an organization which reaches every house and directly or indirectly touches the lives of every individual in the state, so that it becomes a thriving entity that could chart in the path of growth and prosperity by creating more avenues for young generations who aspire to belong and be a part of this organization. The works right from tendering process to execution, consultants were provided by a company. For works less than 50,000, there is a departmental tender committee which takes the decision. The committee consists of the senior electrical inspector, the deputy electrical inspector, the supervisory assistant, and finance and accounts officer, who also function as financial advisor to the inspectorate for any works more than 50,000. The authority to decide lies with the implementing committee, which comprises the additional chief secretary or the principal secretary or the commissioner and secretary on the chair, and 1 member each from the finance department, the NIC, and an executive engineer from MEECL, and a senior electrical inspector as member secretary. Well, splitting of work is a normal process when done within the delegation of power of a head of the department, particularly for works executed in different districts. The practice is prevailing in other departments as well as in MEECL. Regarding allotment of multi-crore contracts to Mrs. IS Enterprise, I would like to clarify as follows. During the year 2013 to 31st March 2018, the total amount spent on LED demo projects was rupees 54.13 lakhs. The major chunk of this project was allotted to Mrs. Karma Enterprise for LED Village campaign at a cost of 16.88 lakhs for the campaign done in Mopinthi village. The selection of this village was done through a process which is proposed by the MEECL. The remaining balance of rupees 37.26 lakhs was split and utilized for 9 street light luminaries and 1 for village campaign for rupees 1.2 lakh. The demo projects were executed by 3 firms. I have filed RTI with the Inspectorate of Electricity for the total amount of works executed by Mrs. IS Enterprise. For dissemination of messages on energy conservation, an amount of rupees 29.07 lakhs was spent in roadshows, publicity and awareness, newspaper ads, jingles on radio, printing and distribution of pamphlets, leaflets, posters, banners, hoardings, board standees, guidebooks for school children, cartoon calendars, etc., carrying messages on energy conservation. All details are contained in the audit report.